Namaskar. Welcome to Devyagya. Today in this session, we will be learning Jhala in Raag Yaman. It's the continuation of your Rasakhani Gat. As you can see in the previous video, you have played Rasakhani Gat in Yaman, you have played Chalan and Tan. Now, as I have got a request to play and conclude it with Jhala, so today we will learn Jhala. Now, before we start, let me tell you that this jhala is just a pattern. That how this is a frame, you can say. So you can just practice this jhala, and according to your speed practice level, you can increase the speed. This is just a structure of the jhala, how we play in proper pattern. You can add your own phrases to it grammatically. So let's see how to begin the jhala. You will, before as you complete playing all the tan on toda, you will increase the speed of gat and then you will start playing jhala. Like, hope you remember the gat. Now I have set this tempo to 240. So you can increase according to your practice level. So let's refresh the gat again. One, five. This was your Rasakhani gat. So hope you remember this gat again. So let me just play the gat along with sthai and antara once, then we will come to the jhala part. Okay, from 9th. 1, 5. Antara. Now please go through the notation. We'll start jhala with dire dire, starting from khali. So 1, 5, ni 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 re 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 ga 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 ma 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 pa. So let's see how to begin. Where you see a bracket with 2 means that line or that part you need to play it twice. So we will start again. Now before I proceed further, let me just tell you, most of them what they do, they increase the speed of jhala. You have to be in a rhythm. After playing diri diri, don't just double it up. Like, let me just explain you. You will not double the speed. You will be along with this tempo. 1, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, one round. Now coming to next part. Now for practice, I will repeat again and again. Later on, you can just go through as you can see in the notation. So playing this 4 line again. Pa, ma, re, ga, re, re, sa, 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 sa. Now coming to mandra, lower octave ma, ma, dha, ni, re, sa, 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 sa. Again. Next, pa, ma, re, ga, re, sa, sa in lower octave. Again. Now just go through the notation carefully. There are two gaps. Ma a dha a ni I dha a ni I re e. Okay, so ma dha ni re sa sa. If I play slow, ma dha ni I re 4 and then sa 4. I'm playing again. Now I'm repeating this mantra part again. Now coming to next part, as you can see in the notation, ni, re, ga, pa, ma, re, ga, ni, dha, ni, re, ga, re, ni, dha, ni, re, sa. Now I'll play this part again. I'll play it twice. Again. Now coming to next part. Pa a ga a ma a dha a ni I re sa. Now this pa ga you can play with a touch of ma ga, ma fret. Okay. Again. Now coming to next part, higher octave. Ni, re, ga, re, sa. As you can see in a notation, I have just given a bracket and written 4. This is just, as I said, a pattern. So here you can increase the speed, or in between, in every sum you can increase the speed, and the conclusion ending part with tihai. But at present I am not increased the speed. I'll be playing in this tempo. So let's see this part again, then we'll come to the ending tihai part. Now, just go through the tihai part. Sasa, Nini, Dha, Papa, Mama, Gaga, Re, Sasa. I have written once, but if you want, you can play this first line 3 times also. Ending part. Or you play only once, then coming to tihai part. Nini, re, gaga, mama, pa, 1, 2, 3. Nini, re, gaga, mama, pa, 1, 2, 3. Nini, re, gaga, mama. Instead of pa and ending the tihai 3 times, what you can do, you can play this 3 into 3, 9 times, right? So, Nini, re, gaga, mama, pa. Nini, re, gaga, mama, pa. Nini, re, gaga, mama. Again repeat. Nini, re, gaga, mama. So let's see the tihai part only. You can give chikari also in the gap. Instead of playing Nini, re, gaga, gaga, mama, what you can do, you can play gaga, mama, dha, nini, sa. It will sound much better. So let's see the full tihai part, only tihai part. Second. Here you need to end your jhala part. So let's see page 2 again from beginning. Now ending part. So this way you can practice this jhala. I haven't increased the speed just to explain you so that you can follow clearly how to play the pattern of jhala and conclude your gat along with your jhala pattern. So this was your Yaman jhala part of Razakhani Gat. Now see you in my next session with some more lessons. Thank you so much.